Swift Online Training. Introduction on Swift Training. Learning Swift programming for app development. This is the most common meaning. Swift is a powerful and modern programming language created by Apple specifically for developing iOS, iPadOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS applications. If this is your goal, Swift training will equip you with the fundamentals of programming and Swift itself. You'll learn about installing Xcode, the development environment for Apple products. Basic programming concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Working with different data structures like arrays and dictionaries. Functions to organize your code and make it reusable. Object-oriented programming, OOP, a core concept in Swift. The Model View Controller, MVC, design pattern used in most Apple apps. What is a Swift course? Swift is a modern programming language developed by Apple. This general-purpose programming language is fast and powerful without sacrificing safety or readability. Swift is a great language to learn for those interested in iOS and macOS development as well as anyone who is just starting to code. Benefits of Swift training. There are two main interpretations of Swift training. Learning the Swift programming language, which is popular for building Apple applications. Training related to the Society for Worldwide Interbank Financial Telecommunication, SWIFT, which is an organization that provides secure messaging services for financial institutions. Here's a breakdown of the benefits for each. Benefits of learning Swift programming. Relatively easy to learn, Swift is designed to be intuitive and readable, even for beginners with no prior coding experience. This is because it borrows concepts from other popular languages and has built-in features that make coding easier. Safe and secure, Swift prioritizes safety by eliminating entire classes of errors that can cause crashes. It also has features like automatic memory management, which reduces the risk of bugs. Fast and efficient, Swift code can run very quickly and efficiently. This is important for creating smooth-running apps. Large and active community, there are many resources available online and a large community of Swift developers who can provide help and support. Benefits of Swift training, financial industry. Increased efficiency and accuracy. Understanding the Swift system can help financial institutions process transactions more efficiently and accurately. Improved compliance. Training can help ensure that institutions are compliant with the latest regulations related to Swift messaging. Enhanced career prospects. Swift certification can demonstrate your expertise and open up new job opportunities in the financial sector. Features of Swift training. Features of Swift the language. Easy to read and write, Swift is known for its clear and concise syntax, making it a great language for beginners and experienced programmers alike. Safe and secure, Swift eliminates entire classes of errors that can plague other languages, making it a more robust and reliable choice for development. Modern features. Swift includes features like closures, generics, and optionals that help programmers write clean, efficient, and expressive code. Open source. Swift is an open source language, which means it's free to use and constantly evolving with community contributions. Features of Swift training programs. Curriculum: a well-designed program will cover the fundamentals of Swift syntax, data types, functions, control flow, and object-oriented programming concepts. As you progress, you'll delve into more advanced topics like closures, generics, protocols, and memory management. Hands-on learning: the best Swift training programs will provide ample opportunities for hands-on practice. This could include exercises, coding challenges, or even building small projects to solidify your understanding. Experienced instructors: look for programs led by instructors with a strong background in Swift development and experience teaching others. Project-based learning: some programs culminate in a final project that allows you to apply your newly acquired skills to a real-world scenario. This is a great way to showcase your abilities to potential employers. What is Swift and its significance in modern programming? Swift is a powerful and intuitive programming language developed by Apple for building applications for iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. It was first introduced by Apple in 2014 as a replacement for Objective-C, aiming to provide a more modern, safe, and efficient alternative. Here are some key aspects and significance of Swift in modern programming. Safety: Swift was designed with safety in mind. It includes features like optionals to handle nil values safely, type interference to catch errors during compilation, and automatic memory management with ARC, automatic reference counting, to prevent memory leaks. Performance: Swift is built with performance in mind. It's designed to be fast and efficient, with optimizations that allow Swift code to run quickly even on resource-constrained devices like iPhones and iPads. Expressiveness: Swift syntax is concise and expressive, making it easier to read and write code. Features like closures, tuples, and generics allow developers to write clean and expressive code with fewer lines. Interoperability: Swift is designed to work seamlessly with existing Objective-C code, allowing developers to leverage their existing codebases and frameworks. This interoperability makes it easier for developers to adopt Swift gradually without having to rewrite their entire codebase. Community and support: since its release, Swift has gained a strong community of developers and has seen widespread adoption both within and outside of the Apple ecosystem. This vibrant community provides resources, libraries, and support for developers working with Swift. Open source: in 2015, Apple open-sourced Swift, making it available to the wider development community. This move encouraged collaboration, innovation, and the development of cross-platform solutions using Swift. Future-proofing: as Apple continues to evolve its platforms, Swift remains at the forefront of these changes. It receives regular updates and improvements, ensuring that developers have access to the latest features and capabilities for building modern applications. Exploring Swift's data types and variables. Data types: integers, int, uint, etc. represent whole numbers, positive, negative, or zero. Examples: age, int is equal to 25, score, uint 8 is equal to 100, unsigned 8-bit integer. Floating point numbers, double, floats store numbers with decimals. Doubles offer higher precision than floats. Examples: pi, double is equal to 3.14159, temperature, float is equal to 98.6. Booleans, bool represent true or false values. Useful for making decisions. Example, is registered, bool is equal to true. Strings represent textual data, encased in double quotes. Examples, name, string is equal to Alice, message, string is equal to hello, world. Characters represent single characters. Use single quotes. Example, initial character is equal to A. Variables. Variables act like containers holding data of a specific type. You create them with a name and data type, followed by an initial value, optional. Control flow, loops and conditionals in Swift. Swift offers powerful control flow mechanisms through loops and conditionals, allowing you to design programs that adapt and repeat tasks. Here's a breakdown of these key concepts. Conditionals. If statements let you execute code only if a certain condition is true. You can also have optional else blocks to run code if the condition is false. Guard statements, similar to if statements but used for conditions that should ideally not fail during normal program execution. They often include unwrapping optionals to ensure they contain a value before proceeding. Switch statements, efficient for handling multiple possible conditions and executing code specific to each. They compare a value against different cases and execute the code block associated with the matching case. Loops. Foreign loops, ideal for iterating over sequences like arrays or ranges. They provide access to each element in the sequence and execute a code block for every element. While loops continue executing a code block as long as a specified condition is true. They are useful when the number of repetitions is unknown beforehand. Repeat while loops, similar to while loops but ensure the code block executes at least once before checking the condition. This is helpful when you want some code to run unconditionally at the beginning of the loop. Object-oriented programming in Swift, classes and objects. Classes. A class acts like a blueprint or template. It defines the characteristics and functionalities of a particular kind of object. Think of it as a recipe that specifies the ingredients, properties, and instructions, methods, needed to create a specific dish, object. A class can define properties, which are variables that hold data specific to the object. It can also define methods, which are functions that define the object's behavior. Methods can access and manipulate the object's properties. Objects. An object is an instance of a class. It's a concrete realization of the blueprint provided by the class. Imagine an object as the actual dish you prepare following the recipe, class. There can be many individual dishes, objects, created from the same recipe, class. Each object has its own set of property values, which define its unique state. Objects can call the methods defined in the class to perform actions relevant to that object. Analogy. Think about a class named car. The car class might define properties like color, model, and speed. It could also define methods like accelerate, brake, and turn left. An individual car, say a red Honda Civic, would be an object of the car class. This specific object would have its own color, red, model, Honda Civic, and speed, initially 0. You could call the accelerate method on this object to increase its speed, or the turn left method to change its direction. Key benefits of classes and objects. Code reusability. By using classes, you can create multiple objects with the same functionalities without rewriting code. Modularity. Classes help organize code into logical units, making it easier to understand, maintain, and modify. Encapsulation. Classes promote data protection by bundling properties and methods together. You can control how data is accessed and modified within the class. Deeper dive, Swift protocols and generics. Deep dive, Swift protocols and generics. Protocols and generics are two powerful tools in Swift that, when used together, can create highly flexible, reusable, and type-safe code. Let's break down each concept and how they work in tandem. 1. Protocols. Protocols define a blueprint for a type. They specify what properties and methods a type must implement, but not how it implements them. This allows for different types to conform to the same protocol as long as they provide the required functionality. Think of a protocol as a contract. It outlines the expectations without dictating the specifics. 2. Generics. Generics allow you to write code that can work with a variety of types. You define a placeholder type, example T, that can be replaced with any specific type later. This eliminates code duplication and makes your code more adaptable. Imagine a function that sorts an array. With generics, you can write one function to sort arrays of any type, numbers, strings, etc. Combining protocols and generics. Here's where the magic happens. Protocols can use generics to define associated types. An associated type is a placeholder type specific to a conforming type. This allows protocols to specify functionality that works with different data types. Memory management in Swift. Arc, automatic reference counting. In Swift, memory management is handled automatically by a system called automatic reference counting, ARC. ARC simplifies development by offloading the burden of manually allocating and deallocating memory from the programmer. Here's a breakdown of how ARC works. Tracking references. ARC keeps track of how many times a particular object is referenced in your code. Each object has a reference count that increases when a new reference is created and decreases when a reference goes out of scope or is explicitly set to nil. Deallocating objects. When an object's reference count reaches 0, ARC recognizes that the object is no longer needed and delocates its memory. This frees up memory for other parts of your application to use. Benefits of ARC. Reduced errors. By automating memory management, ARC eliminates the possibility of memory leaks when memory is not freed even though it's no longer needed, that can occur with manual memory management. Simplified development. ARC frees you from the complexities of memory management, allowing you to focus on the core logic of your application. Working with collections, arrays, sets, and dictionaries in Swift. Swift provides powerful collection types to manage and store groups of data effectively. Here's a breakdown of the three main ones. 1. Arrays. Ordered collections of elements, all of the same type. Elements maintain their order of insertion. Duplicates are allowed. Use cases: storing shopping lists, student grades, image galleries. Accessing and modifying arrays. Elements are accessed using an index, zero-based. You can add, remove, or change elements using various methods. Two sets. Unordered collections of unique values, all of the same type. Order doesn't matter, and duplicates are automatically removed. Use cases: checking for unique usernames, storing favorite songs without repetitions. Testing and debugging strategies for Swift applications. Testing strategies. Unit testing: break down your code into isolated, testable units, functions, methods, and write unit tests to verify their correctness. XCTest, the built-in testing framework for Swift, aids in creating and running unit tests. Test-driven development, TDD, take a proactive approach by writing unit tests before the actual code. This ensures the code is designed to meet specific requirements from the outset, promoting well-structured and maintainable code. UI testing, for iOS and macOS apps, leverage XCUITest to create automated UI tests. These simulate user interactions and validate your application's user interface behaves as expected. Mocking and stubbing, simulate external dependencies during testing by creating mock objects using frameworks like OCMock or Mockingjay. This isolates your code's core functionality for focused testing. Code coverage, measure the percentage of your codebase covered by tests. Xcode's code coverage analysis helps identify areas that lack sufficient testing, prompting you to write more tests for comprehensive coverage. Debugging strategies. Print statements. Strategically insert print statements throughout your code to track variable values and execution flow. This is particularly useful for debugging non-UI code. Breakpoints. Xcode's debugger allows you to set breakpoints where the code execution halts, enabling you to examine variable values and inspect the call stack for in-depth analysis. Debugging tools. Xcode's built-in debugger is a powerful tool, but you can explore additional options. Instruments, for instance, helps identify memory leaks and performance bottlenecks. The Swift Package Manager offers command-line debugging tools like LLDB for more intricate debugging scenarios. Best practices and tips for efficient Swift development. Code maintainability and readability. Consistent code formatting. Use a consistent coding style throughout your project. Tools like SwiftLint can enforce these styles, improving readability and collaboration within your team. Meaningful names. Employ descriptive variable, function, and class names that clearly convey their purpose. This enhances code comprehension for both you and other developers. Leverage optionals wisely. Swift's optionals ensure variables can hold a value or be nil. Use optional chaining and guard statements for safe and elegant handling of optional values, preventing crashes due to missing data. Embrace value types. Structs and enums prioritize value types over reference types, classes, whenever possible. Value types are typically more efficient in memory management and promote thread safety. Code reusability and efficiency. Protocols and extensions. Swift's powerful protocols and extensions enable code reuse. Protocols define functionality that can be implemented by different types, while extensions add functionality to existing types without modifying their original code. Generics utilize generics to write flexible code that works with various data types. This reduces code duplication and improves maintainability. Higher-order functions. Swift offers a rich set of higher-order functions, functions that operate on other functions. Leverage these for concise and expressive code, often improving readability and reducing boilerplate code. Development workflow and tools. Stay updated with Swift versions. Keep yourself updated with the latest Swift versions to benefit from new features, performance enhancements, and bug fixes. Apple regularly releases new Swift versions alongside Xcode updates. Utilize Xcode features. Xcode provides various features to streamline development. Use code completion, refactoring tools like Rename, extract function, and multicursor editing to boost your coding efficiency. Advantages of Swift online training. Flexibility. Online training allows learners to access materials and participate in courses at their own pace and convenience. This flexibility is particularly beneficial for individuals with busy schedules or those who prefer to learn at non-traditional times. Accessibility. With online training, learners can access courses from anywhere with an internet connection. This means they can study from the comfort of their own home, office, or even while traveling. Cost effectiveness. Online training often eliminates the need for travel expenses, printed materials, and venue rentals associated with traditional in-person training. This can result in significant cost savings for both individuals and organizations. Interactive learning. Many online training platforms offer interactive features such as quizzes, multimedia content, and discussion forums, which enhance the learning experience and help reinforce concepts. Up-to-date content. Swift online training courses can be easily updated to reflect the latest developments and best practices in Swift programming. This ensures that learners have access to the most current and relevant information. Self-paced learning. Online training allows learners to progress through material at their own speed, enabling them to spend more time on challenging topics and breeze through familiar ones. Global reach. Online training breaks down geographical barriers, allowing learners from around the world to access the same high-quality educational resources. This can foster a diverse learning community and expose individuals to different perspectives and experiences. Career opportunities in Swift. Swift is a powerful and versatile programming language primarily used for developing applications for Apple platforms such as iOS, macOS, watchOS, and tvOS. Here are some career opportunities in Swift development. iOS developer. iOS developers specialize in creating applications for Apple's mobile devices like iPhones and iPads. They use Swift along with frameworks like UIKit, SwiftUI, and combine to build intuitive and feature-rich apps. macOS developer. macOS developers focus on building applications for Apple's desktop operating system. They use Swift to create macOS applications that offer seamless integration with other Apple devices and services. watchOS developer. watchOS developers develop apps for Apple Watch, leveraging Swift and WatchKit to create unique experiences tailored for the wearable device. tvOS Developer. tvOS developers work on creating applications for Apple TV, using Swift and tvOS frameworks to build engaging media and entertainment experiences for the big screen. Full-stack developer. Full-stack developers proficient in Swift can work on both front-end and back-end development. They can build end-to-end solutions for web and mobile applications using technologies like Vapor or Kitura for back-end Swift development. Game developer. Swift can also be used for game development, especially for iOS and macOS platforms. Game developers use Swift along with frameworks like SpriteKit or Unity to create interactive and engaging gaming experiences. Why choose ProExcellency for Swift online training? Choosing ProExcellency for Swift online training could be a prudent decision for several reasons. Expertise. ProExcellency might have a team of experienced trainers who are well-versed in Swift programming. Their expertise can ensure that you receive high-quality training tailored to your skill level and learning objectives. Comprehensive curriculum. They likely offer a comprehensive curriculum covering all aspects of Swift programming, from basic syntax to advanced topics like app development, concurrency, and performance optimization. This ensures you get a holistic understanding of the language. Flexibility. Online training with ProExcellency likely offers flexibility in terms of schedule and pace. You can learn at your own convenience, fitting the training around your existing commitments. Hands-on learning. Effective online training often includes hands-on exercises and projects. ProExcellency might offer practical assignments and real-world projects to reinforce your learning and build your practical skills. Interactive learning environment. A good online training provider fosters an interactive learning environment through live sessions, discussion forums, and one-on-one support. ProExcellency may offer such features to enhance your learning experience. Certification. Upon completion of the training, ProExcellency may provide a certification, which can add value to your resume and validate your proficiency in Swift programming. Thank you.